Small time local car show at the church. Man, I was about to go record something. I drove by and I seen everybody out here, so might as well stop. Good, good. Just buying and selling, buying and selling. Didn't take very long. Who all's here today? I see Sweet and Low over there. Right. It's got the houndstooth interior. That's pretty sweet. 69 convertible. SS. Yeah, I would have brought one of mine out too, I guess. About to start working on the GTO. Just gonna turn it around today and get it running. Put it back there in my shop. Need somebody to do the rear end on the Corvette. You know anybody that does rear ends?
And I'm always looking for a mechanic.
Yeah, it's hard to find the right one because, you know, every time I run into one, he bull crashes me. He don't really want to work, is what it is. Well, hi, Missy.
Hello. How are you doing?
Good. Where's your old man at? Yakking, yakety yak. Don't talk back. Oh, I'm sure. Cheyenne, C10. It's pretty nice, pretty nice. Of course, Sweet and Low here. Y'all have seen it before. Still driving good for you?
Yeah.
He actually drove them when they were new.
Big old fan on that sucker. I like it. Turn it upside down.
No more overheating, huh? That's good, that's good.
Thermostat out.
Mm-hmm.
Bad connection on the water pump.
Is that what it was?
Just kept piddling with it. So far, it ain't running bad.
That's good.
But there's a lot of difference in the temperature now, too.
Yeah, yeah. That's the worst thing, overheating.
Yeah.
She's still pretty. What's going on, guys?
Is that the top one? Yeah, that's like she's number one. Okay. Okay, so I put the number. Yeah, just the number.
Sheriff, how's it going?
It's going good. How are you?
Good, good. Just out here checking the cars out today. This one yours?
No, it's not mine.
Oh, okay.
I'm over here just for the show.
Oh. I thought maybe you had one up here. The thing right there is pretty sweet.
Yeah, it is.
I used to have 3 of these.
Oh, man.
Sold them. Used to ain't no good, I know. They didn't look like this though.
Yeah, that's pretty sweet. One of these days.
That's cool. International. It's pretty cool, pretty cool. Got a Suburban. Looks like she's got a little cancer on the front there. '57.
It's as far as I know the original. But I don't. But understand. I understand. That's what the ones that I got in the Homer bucket.
You didn't drive yours today?
Sir?
You didn't drive yours today? I sold mine.
You didn't sell it.
I sold it.
You're an asshole. I told you not to sell the car.
Well, money talks.
I know, bullshit walk. But
I
what
know.
about the other one you bought? You had another one.
I know. Sold it too.
What did it bring?
14,000.
What, the blue and turquoise frame?
30.
That's about right. It was a good car.
Yeah, it was a good car. It still needed a paint job. It needed, you
But
know.
it was all there.
It was all there. Dude from Louisiana came and got it.
And you got how much for the other one?
The other one I bought for 6, sold it for 14 the next day.
What was that in it?
It was original matching 283.
Where'd you find it at?
Old dude over here in Cleburne out behind Walmart Distribution, had it for 40 years. He's got a black one I'm trying to buy from him.
Hard top?
Hard top,
The black what year?
57.
57.
I had a turquoise one. I live right here with all the cars in the front yard. And ours look real alike. He's got turquoise, I got turquoise, and
Yeah, that turquoise of his is gorgeous.
it's gorgeous. Mine needed another paint job, but his was in a lot better shape than mine.
This one needs some paint.
There's one sitting over in Joshua.
Is
Fully
there?
Restored. All matching numbers. Offered them 30,000. She wanted 35.
Yeah.
But you know who it belonged to. The guy had he's had a car lot there in Cleveland. I can't think of his name. He had a bunch of old cars. He bought all these old cars for his retirement benefit. And he moved out there to Joshua, and he had a Cadillac. Didn't have no miles on it too.
Yeah.
You know, I know you don't.
I know who you're talking about.
Yeah.
I just can't think of his
Yeah,
name.
I can't either. His wife's got that 57 he's had sitting in the carport. All original car ever. And it's that, I call it titty pink and gray.
Yeah.
That
Uh-huh.
pink and gray. That's what it is.
Boy, that's,
Huh.
that's a pretty color combo.
Yeah, but what he did, he sprayed all these the bottom the same color as the car.
Oh no.
Yeah, he did. Yeah, he did.
You could put undercoater under it, I guess.
Yeah.
I mean,
But he did.
yeah.
And it needs to be repainted, needs to be run. She cranks it up all the time. It's got the original 283, the original, all that. It's got every nut, bolt,
Everything.
everything brand just like that.
35 though.
So that's not the original one.
Okay.
But if you can't buy the original, you have to find them. I've got one at the house.
Yeah.
If you need one, it cost me I think $45 or $50 just to have it chrome.
Yeah.
It fits right there in that hole.
Huh.
It covers that whole length, all chrome.
Yeah.
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 I've seen them, but
Yeah.
I've seen them at
You
shows,
can't-
but that's
you
the one
can't-
that, when I bought the car, that's the one that came with it.
The reason I changed mine up was when
That's what I
Mine didn't have air.
did. Vintage Air and me have a running gun battle. The DCM and these computers been doing.
Oh well. Fresh paint job.